Okay, here's a very strange question. A graph of a quadratic equation has line of symmetry at x equals 3 and adopts the largest value of 70. Its equations of the form y equals plus or minus 200, x plus or minus 3 all squared, plus or minus 70. Please choose the correct signs for the equation. Right, so I guess I have to choose whether that's either a plus sign or a minus sign, choose whether that's a plus sign or a minus sign, and choose whether that's a plus sign or minus sign. Okay, can I do it? I bet I can. But the way I'm going to do it is what I always do. Draw a picture. I always love pictures. Pictures are the best. They reveal everything. So some graph of a quadratic equation. So some graph of a quadratic equation has line of symmetry at 3. All right, so 3 is the line of symmetry. All right, great. So some U-shaped graph symmetrically about this. It adopts the largest value of 70. So I know its vertex is along here, so it's going to be the highest value of 70, which means it can't be upward facing. It must be an upside down U-shaped graph. Must have negative steepness. Negative steepness. All right, so that means I must have this be a negative number. I know right away that better be a minus sign. So basically it's the graph of y equals negative 200 x squared that gets messed around with. So y equals negative 200 looks like this, but I can see what's going on. If this is negative 200 x squared, then I can see I've just made it this graph so that 3 behaves like 0 and then shifted everything up 70. So I want the number 3 to behave like 0, which means I need this to be minus sign, because now 3 is behaving like 0. That gets this over here, and then to shift everything up 70, so I need that to be a plus sign. So I'm meant to be doing that in pink. That's up. 3 behaves like 0. I think I've done it. That must be the signs that give me an equation that does everything asked of me. Line of symmetry at 3, highest value 70. I think I'm golden.